welcome to Frog's Point Honey. Let's cook. To stuff these jalapenos, you're going to need Capicola, panko breadcrumbs, hot honey, blue cheese, American cheese, that's not necessary, but trust me, you're going to want it, and some cooking spray. And as always, exact amounts are in the description down below. Cut your jalapenos in half, remove the ribs and seeds, and give them a dice. Then, dice your capicola. Put them in a bowl, add the Roquefort, and mix them together very well. Put a rack in a foil-lined cookie sheet, add your peppers, and to each one, put in a little piece of American cheese. Spoon some of the mixture into each one, pat on some panko breadcrumbs, and spritz them with cooking spray. Put them in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven until the cheese is bubbly and the top is golden brown, about 10 minutes. Put them on a plate, drizzle them with a little hot honey, and you are ready to serve. Let's eat! Thank you for watching, everybody. Please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe.